In this video, I'll guide you through how to email or export reports and dashboards in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to keep your team updated or want to share insights with stakeholders, HubSpot makes it easy to manage and distribute your data. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the reporting section of your HubSpot account. Once there, click on Dashboards from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll find all your existing dashboards, which are essentially collections of reports that give you a comprehensive overview of different metrics and analytics. Take a moment to scan through and select the dashboard you wish to share. If you have many dashboards, remember you can use the search bar to quickly locate the one you're looking for. Once you've selected your desired dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on this button and you'll find an option that says Email this dashboard. This feature allows you to send the dashboard directly via email, making it accessible to your team or any stakeholders who need to keep track of the data. After clicking on Email this dashboard, you'll be prompted to choose between a one-time email or a recurring schedule. Depending on your needs, you can opt for a daily, weekly, or monthly delivery. This flexibility ensures that everyone stays informed at the frequency that best suits your team or project requirements. For instance, if you're working on a fast-paced project, a daily update might be more appropriate. On the other hand, a weekly or monthly schedule might suffice for routine performance reviews. Next, you'll need to select the recipients of the email. HubSpot allows you to add multiple recipients, so you can easily include everyone who needs access to this information. Simply start typing the names or email addresses of your recipients, and you'll see suggestions pop up. This makes it easy to ensure you don't miss anyone out. If you're sharing sensitive information, double check that all recipients are intended and have the necessary permission to view the dashboard. Once you've set your schedule and selected your recipients, all that's left to do is hit send. By doing so, HubSpot will automatically handle the rest, distributing the dashboard according to the schedule you've set. This automation can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on analyzing the data rather than worrying about logistics. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively email or export your reports and dashboards in HubSpot. This feature is a great way to streamline communication and ensure everyone stays on the same page, ultimately helping your team make more informed decisions based on real-time data. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tricks.